Ow! Stop! You're bad as fuck. Ow! Ow! Oh my god!
Did you get that? Oh my god.
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
Can you just back up, bro?
Hey, come on. Chicky, chicky, chicky.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. In the store.
Look, he's so happy to see you. Look.
Are you tired?
Osman?
It's gonna be hot.
To sit like that.
Wait. The freaking counter! Augustus, calm down.
There you go.
What a poor little baby.
This is my meat.
Oh my goodness.
Want somebody?
Don't bite his tail.
This movie.
Bro, stop! Why are you doing that?
From the spot, await the noise.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh.
I tell you what I want.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Mimi!
Oh no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job.
Такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас.
How's motherhood treating you?
Кто натворил? Вот это кто натворил?
Inspecting.
3D.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
I love you. Está pensando en mujer.
Not that serious.
Bitget.
Excuse me?
I know you're about to bite me.
Izzy, are you stuck?
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Percy!
Oh my god.
Meow, 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 meow.
He's only been a doggy. Oh, shut.
It's not that serious. Where's the catnip?
So if Michelle starts, she can have